Hello everybody, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where I teach boomers how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. Hi, I'm Bertrand. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of Siri using your iPad. So, what is Siri? Siri is a virtual assistant that can help to answer just about any question that you have, and it's pretty intuitive or easy to use. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways that you can use Siri to make your life just a little easier. Now, a lot of the things that I do will be repetitious, but practice them and you're going to see why they can be so beneficial. And you might want to stick around until the end because I'm going to give you a bonus tip. And the bonus tip is probably going to be more important than all the other ones. And you'll see why. So let's get started. Now, sometimes you might want to make hands-free calls. You might want to either do a telephone call or a text message. Well, Siri can help you do that. Here's how to do it. Hey Siri, text Gina.
What do you want to say?
See you soon.
It says, see you soon. Send it.
Send.
Done.
Now, you see how easy and intuitive that was. Now, you can do the same thing with the telephone call as well. Let's look at tip number 2. Hey Siri, read me the top news headlines.
Here's the latest top news.
You can simply tell her to read you the latest top news headlines, and she'll read them or say them out loud for you so you can stay informed. Tip number 3. Hey Siri, add milk to my shopping list.
I didn't find a shopping list. Do you want to create one?
Yes.
Okay, I added milk to the shopping list.
See how simple that was? I asked her to add milk to my shopping list. I did not have a shopping list created, so Siri went ahead and created the shopping list for me. Now, of course, as we get older and we forget a lot of things, I know I do, so Siri can certainly help you in this area. Watch this. Hey Siri, set a reminder to take out the trash on Tuesday at 5:30 a.m.
Okay, I added take out the trash for Tuesday 5:30.
Voila. Very simple, very intuitive, and very practical. Tip number 5. Now, if you're into crossword puzzles and sometimes you might get a little puzzled on a word, well, Siri can help you in that area too. Watch this. Hey Siri, give me a 5-letter word for ocean.
Okay, I found this on the web. Give me a 5-letter word for ocean. Check it out.
See, she gave me several options, and all I have to do if I want to investigate and find one is just tap on it. Now, sometimes you might feel like you're a little lost. Well, with Siri, you never ever have to worry about that because Siri always knows exactly where you are and she can take you to where you want to get. Watch this. Hey Siri, take me to the nearest supermarket.
One possibility.
Now you'll notice that when I asked that question, she popped up with various supermarkets that are close by me. And all I have to do is simply select one. And I can either call it or go to its website or even have her take me directly to it if I want that to happen. Tip number 7. Now in Ohio, this is a pretty cold season time of year. So you might want to know if you need to put your jacket on. So you need to know what the forecast is. So in order to do that, you just simply say, hey Siri, what's the forecast for today?
There could be some snow today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 35 degrees. With overnight.
Very simple, very intuitive, nice and easy. And again, if you want more information, you simply tap on it and then you can investigate it even further. Now, sometimes you might be having some type of illness and you want to know what the symptoms are. And for the sake of this video, not saying that you're going to have a heart attack, but let's see if we can get the symptoms. Hey Siri, what are the symptoms of a heart attack?
I found 5. Edema, necrosis, angina pectoris, nausea.
So you see, very simple, very easy again to just make the statement and voila, she'll find the information for you and you tap on it to investigate it further. Let's say you want to learn a foreign language and you don't want to pay for one of those foreign language tutoring programs that they have. Well, you have a foreign language teacher right here on your iPad via Siri. Watch this. Hey Siri, say hello in Spanish.
In Spanish, hello is hola.
Hey Siri, say hello in Portuguese.
In Portuguese, hello is hola.
So you see, with Siri, you have a translator, a tutor, a teacher right here on your iPad, and you can use it at any time for free. We live in a world where sometimes instead of crying, we just want to laugh. We want to laugh out loud. So you can ask Siri to help you in that area. And here's how you do it. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What do you call a snowman in spring? Puddle.
That is so funny. Not really. But at any rate, you get the point. Now, I told you if you stick around to the end, I was going to show you the most powerful way that you can use Siri on your iPad or your iPhone. And here it is. You can use Siri to open up any program that you have on your iPad or your iPhone. Watch this. Hey Siri, open YouTube. Hey Siri, open up Netflix. Hey Siri, open up Safari. Hey Siri, send an email to bjtrain@gmail.com.
To bjtrain@gmail.com. What's the subject?
Test.
What do you want to say to bjtrain@gmail.com?
I'll see you in a little bit.
Your email, test, to bjtrain@gmail.com says, I'll see you in a little bit. Send it?
Yes.
Done.
So you see, using Siri as a tool to answer questions, to look up information, to send messages, to make phone calls, all of these things are very practical. And if you take the time to use them and practice them, I think that eventually you're going to find that they're going to make your life a whole lot easier. Now, if you found value in this simple tutorial, please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, but more importantly, comment. When you comment on this channel, it helps YouTube to push it out to more people, and that helps to grow this channel. And right now, we're in the process of trying to grow, so if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so and share this with a friend. Thank you for watching the Boomers Tech Show, and we'll see you in our next video.